Hey everyone, as you can hear, I have a cold, but I wanted to share with you this journal that I finished. So I think I'll just do a quick flip through, and if you want to hear me also talk a little bit about this journal, then leave me a comment, and once my voice is a bit better, I'll try to do that. This journal was actually my kind of prototype for my recent class, and I will link to that class below. And yeah, I kind of practiced a lot of the concepts that I talk about in the class, and now it is pretty much done. I think I will call it done. So I'm going to do a quick flip through for you and play you some music, or you can mute this and play whichever music you like, and I'll see you soon in another video.